Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Toyota Sienna SC technology. Now the most notable features on this SC technology is its DVD player. You have your heated front seats and blind spot monitoring. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2017 Toyota Sienna SC technology. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SC technology is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you do have the 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, you do have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And then taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to find your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now, with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you if there is another vehicle right beside you. Smart key system with it, and then I'm just going to show you the second row here really quickly. So as you can see, you do have the captain seats, but you do also have a middle seat that you can actually place in here, which I'll show you a little bit later on here. And as you can see, you can move the seats up and back, or forward and back, sorry, just to make things a little bit easier for you when you're getting access to the third row. And I'll show you that third row a little bit later on here as well. Sunshade visors located in the third and second row windows. Your DVD player will be located just up top. And then you'll find the close button for the power sliding rear door, just located on the inside of the pillar there. Pushing it once, it'll close the door for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your black interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support, traction control on and off, blind spot monitoring on and off, and then if we take a look on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seat function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, scroll function for the multi-informational display with the cruise control, and it does come equipped with the push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a closer look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here, which include your distance to empty, trip info. You have a digital speedometer. You can also go through your compass, audio, messages, and settings menu, with a couple of additional features inside there that you can personalize for yourself. Taking a look at the center dash area, if you go inside the apps menu, you have your navigation audio phone, as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, it does come with the XM satellite radio, dual zone climate control settings with your rear temperature controls located down below, mounted to an automatic transmission, USB and auxiliary input with the heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your power outlet, and an additional one located down below. Taking a look up top, you do have the auto dimming rear view mirror with the integrated garage door opening controls and digital compass, open and close for the power sliding rear doors, and your power liftgate release, open and close for the power moonroof, sunglass case holder, and then taking a look at the backup camera. As you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you're backing into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, if we take a closer look just on the back, you're going to find your backup camera just located on the far left-hand side, and your rear hatch release will be located in the center. Now, closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have an additional set of mats in the back. And with that, you also have the 60-40 split for the rear seat, or third row, I should say. So as you can see, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there, and they're also numbered as well, just to make things a little bit easier for you. And then if you take a closer look on the left-hand side, this is where your middle seat will actually be stored from your second row, just in case you're not using it. But if you are, it acts as additional cargo space for you as well. Over on the right-hand side, you'll find that power outlet. And then when you're all finished up, all you have to do is push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically, making things a lot easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.